Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and welcome to Summertime Workout Series. This is the final workout in the series. It's workout number 8. No clock, no timer. We just get it done as quickly as possible. We have 5 different exercises, 4 times through. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's get down on the ground, into the bear position. Knees off the ground, and we're gonna put our arms up to the wall. Ready? We're going for 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Beautiful. I hope I don't poke a hole in the wall. All right. Now we're going both arms to one foot for our core. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Going for 20. 2. 1. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Keep going. 1. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 20. All right, plank position. Shoulder taps, then foot taps. Ready? Give me shoulder. 1, shoulder on the other side. 2, foot, capture balance, and foot. And that's 1 repetition. Shoulder, shoulder, foot, foot, shoulder, shoulder, foot, foot. That's 3. Shoulder. Other one. Foot, foot. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. Halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's 9. Last one. 2, 3, and 4. And that's 10. All right. We are moving some jump squats. Jump squat. Jump over to the side. Jump squat. Ready? 1, 2. Jump and over. That's 1. 1, 2. Jump, and that's 2. 1, 2, jump, and 3. 1, 2, jump, 4. 1, 5. 6. 7. 3 more. 8. 9. Last one. And that's 10. All right, guys. Back on the ground. In and out. Then mountain jack. Ready? Going 10 repetitions. In, out. 1, 2. That's 1. In, out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ooh, pretty intense today, at least for me. Stay right down here. Get close to you all. Going for 10. Ready? Bed position. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is set number 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. All right, we get to lay down a little bit, thank God. Arm to foot. You guys ready to go? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep moving. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1, 2. All right. Back in the plank. Shoulder foot taps. 10 reps. Let's go. 1, 1. I always have to catch my balance on the first ones. There we go. That's 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's 4. 1, 2, 5. 6. Stay right here. 7. 3 more. Boom. Boom. 1. Boom. And it's 2. And it's 3. All right, get up, guys. We'll do our jump squats. Possibly the hardest part of this entire workout. You guys ready? And let's jump. 1, 2, 1, and back. That's 1. Jump, side. Jump, and side. That's 2. I am dead. Let's go. Keep on going. Jump. And that's 3. Up, over, up, over. 4. And over, up, and that's 5. Halfway. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Last one. Boom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whew. All right, guys, you know what to do on the ground. In, out, and then jack. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. And 10. All right, halfway done. We got 2 more rounds. Walk over to your wall. Or crawl over nice. Whew. All right, legs up, hands up. 1. Work with me. 2. I'm struggling, struggle with me if you're struggling. If you're not, more power to you. 3. Come on. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. 10. All right, who doesn't like laying down right now? Whew. All right, guys. Shirts down. Only decent exposure. Let's go for 20. 1, 2. Come on. 3, 4, 6, 7. Keep going. 8. Stay with me. Beautiful. 9. Halfway. And let's go 10 more. 9 more. 8. 7. Keep it up. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Last one. Boom. All right, flip it over. Shoulder, foot taps. You guys ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Get your balance, halt. And that's 1. 1, 2, boom, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, come on, halfway, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, last one, and 10. All right, that's for me the hardest part of this workout. Jump, over, jump, back, that's 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, that's 2. 1, 2, 3, and that's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. Whew. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 9. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, those are getting uglier and uglier by the minute. All right. In and out, and then jacks. Let's go. 1, 1, 2, 2. Come on. 3. Keep going. 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9. Last one. 10. All right. All right, get crawl over to the wall. Nice pace here. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Knees up, hands up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more for this entire workout. 1, 2. All right. Vacation time, beach time, lay down time, and let's go time. Let's go for 20. 1, 2, 1, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's flip on over. Shoulder, foot taps. And let's go. Shoulder, shoulder, foot, foot. Whoa, that was off balance. That's 1. Come on, stay with me. I'm tired. You're hopefully tired too. 2. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, halfway. 6, 7, 8, 2 more. 9, last one. Glasses are falling off, means it's good work. And 10. Whew. My wife always tells me, why don't you take your glasses off since they always fall? I don't know. No idea. Last time, guys. Jump squats. Ready? Let's go. 1, jump over, squat down, and jump back. That's number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. Why am I not jumping there? Okay, I must be jumping. There we go. No wonder it felt easy. Screw that one up, sorry. Jump, jump, jump. That's 4. That's better. Now it hurts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. There we go. Now I'm feeling 1. Feels good. Jump and back. That's 6. 7. Feel those legs. 8. I know why I wasn't jumping. It felt easier. We have a tendency to always go towards the easy part. 9. I think that was 9. This was my last one either way. And 10. All right. On the ground, last set, guys. In, out, jump. Ready? Let's go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Keep going. Halfway. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Woo. All right, guys. Raise your hands if your legs are fried like mine. Anyway, that was our summertime workout number 8 of our series. This was the last one. Make sure to check out the previous 7. Thank you for joining me, Paul, at Fit After 50 today. I'll see you guys during the next workout.